Hello, welcome. I'm Elizabeth Ingero, and in this video I will be showing you what the USB-C hub by RCA has to offer. So with a Mac, one thing that you definitely need is a USB-C connector, dongle, whatever you call them, that allows you to put lots of different things and connect them to your Mac. I have got this one because it has a few things, but let me open this up and we'll have a look and see what it has to offer. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, share and comment below. Okay, let's get into the video. This is what the box looks like. The lighting, I know. This is like, what time is it? I don't know. The kids are sleeping next door, so I'm kind of like, okay, trying to talk without whispering. Right, here we go. This is what you have here. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? Right, let's open this up and have a look. I specifically wanted something that had the option for a HDMI connection so that I could connect the computer to an external screen and I could do my work that way. Plus other things like an SD card reader and whatnot. The first challenge is getting it out of the box. Ta-da! So it comes in a nice handy case, which is always nice, but once you're using it all the time, you don't really use it. It's just a nice to have anyway. What else comes in here? Customer service card and your manual. I don't know what on earth the manual will tell you about, but I guess it tells you about the connections. Anywho, who reads the manual? Let's take this out. So here it is. It is pretty light for its size because it's quite wide. Compare it to one that I have here, which is a Lenovo. That's really light as well, but it's very thin. And this is, I would say, 1.5 the size of that, and slightly shorter, but similar colour. And here you have it. It's got the branding at the top of the box, so RCA, whatever that stands for. And yes, the other thing that I saw with this one is that it has an earphone jack here. Now I'm wondering whether I can use that as a microphone jack as well. So I wonder if I could use that as a microphone jack while connecting this and then connect it to the microphone, an external microphone to here. But I'm going to try that out and I will let you know in another video. But for now, we've got the old style USB connectors. You really won't be able to see from there. Come closer, come closer. The SD card, you've got a micro SD card on this side. Then over here you've got the LAN connect, the Ethernet connection. You've got the old style connection, what's it called, VGA connector as well. Then on this side, you've got the HDMI, yes, a PD connector, so you can use it and connect it to here. I believe you can connect it to anything that will allow it to charge as well. And then 2 other USB connectors. So quite a few things on one little device. And should be able to just connect it in there. Fits nicely, snugly, and yeah, I look forward to using this little tool that will help me to be able to do things, especially the SD card. That's something that I'll use a lot, and the HDMI connecting to an external screen, and definitely in fact the micro SD. In fact, I'll use all of them. Micro SD as well for audio recordings, and the USB for these external hard drives. So this is going to be an addition to the ones that I have. Can you see this one? This is also a Lenovo. It doesn't have a HDMI. It just has the USB, micro SD and SD. So there you have it. That's the RCA adapter, and you can use this for a MacBook Pro. And yeah, USB-C hub. I think it's going to work really well for me. It looks quite sturdy. The cable looks really firm as well. So I'm guessing that it should, you know, hold up to movement and all of that. And I will let you know if I have any issues with it. Do comment below if you have this device or something similar and which one you prefer to use. I will put the link in the description of this particular one so that you can read up on all the specs. And happy using. Happy using? Is that a thing? Happy using. Packaging. It came in a very slim sheet, which is this, which I don't believe is recyclable. And then it came in this cardboard, which is recyclable. Yay! And paper, which should be recyclable as well. So at least that's one good thing there. You can put this in the recycle bin. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to go through the videos and just have a browse. There's a mishmash of different topics and different things out there on this channel. And hit that red button to subscribe, like, share, comment below. Thank you very much. I'm Elizabeth Ingero. Take care. Subscribe to A Producer's Life in Uganda.